But spreading quickly here in the United States. So here to explain this is Dr. Robert Finberg, professor of medicine at UMass Medical School in Worcester. It's great to have you with us, Doctor. Thank you so much for your time. The CDC has been monitoring these virus mutations closely, and it now predicts that the variant from the UK will be the dominant source of infection here by March. So that pops up a lot of questions. What's different about this type of variant? Have we seen it in our area already? And will the vaccines that are out there work against it?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Okay.
Variants are not new. The variant that came to the U.S. was different than the original strain in Wuhan, China. This variant is spreading rapidly. Data from vaccinated people indicates that people who have received this vaccine do carry in their blood things that will kill the virus.
So let's dive a little deeper into these vaccines. A lot of states expanded the number of people who could get the first dose because the federal government promised to release its stockpile of the second doses, but now we're learning there is no stockpile. You, doctor, sit on the governor's vaccine advisory board. So what have you heard about this supply?
I think that, as I understand it, the federal government was relying on the pharmaceutical companies to make more vaccines so that everyone could get it, who got a first dose could get a second dose. I believe that will happen. I'm hopeful, particularly under the new administration, that we'll have a lot more transparency about it and that it will be done in a much more organized way.
In fact, doctor, as we said at the beginning of this newscast, Joe Biden said in his press conference today that he will use the Defense Production Act to help manufacture this next round of vaccines to keep up with the virus. So when people get the second dose, will they get any sort of paperwork confirming that they have been vaccinated?
Yes, they will. They will get a card from the CDC, which has both the dates and the lot numbers. And I think record keeping can be very important, and hopefully it will go very well.
And just want to remind people, you did have the vaccine, correct?
I do. I have my card. I don't know if I have it handy. But
That's
yes.
all right. You don't need to show us the card, but tell us how you felt after and how you feel now.
I feel great. I think you get some pain at the injection site, but people are not disabled by this, and there really have not been serious problems with these vaccines.
Have you gotten both doses, or have you had the one so far?
I got both doses.
You got both of them. Very good.
And the same reaction after both?
And you feel great.
Okay.
Great.
Wonderful. Well, may you stay that way.
That's right.
Thank you,
doctor. Great to see you.
Thanks, doctor. We appreciate it.
Thank
Stay
you.
well.